The Homeland Security Startup Studio is a program that takes technologies coming out of our federal labs, our university labs, as well as our FFRDCs, pairs those technologies with 2 to 3 entrepreneurs with the intention of launching deep tech startups that solve the Department of Homeland Security's needs, as well as our most pressing commercial needs.
Signum is a computer vision company that leverages the power of artificial intelligence and computer vision to extract actionable insights from data. We're a mission-driven organization that looks to leverage the power of technology to address real problems facing humanity. Our technology will really provide the opportunity to really free up the doctors and nurses to be able to operate at the top of their license, which should ultimately lead to better healthcare outcomes for all patients involved.
Altalytics provides a new methodology for computing influence. Our mission is to help companies and government agencies leverage true influence on social networks, and we help our customers optimize their social media strategies, whether that be through counter-influence or brand reputation, targeted communications. We help our customers develop sound social media strategies based on this true measure of influence.
Ether was created during the FedTech Homeland Security Startup Studio, and we were paired with a methodology for detection of aerosolized chemicals that came out of the Navy Research Lab. Immediately after graduation from the Startup Studio, we began working closely with the Navy Research Lab and submitted a Phase 1 STTR to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, which we won. That then led to establishment of a CRADA, a Cooperative Research and Development Agreement with the Navy Research Lab to further develop this technology.
Our technology reports suspicious tips and leads using an AI chatbot. We empower, with our AI, citizens to report suspicious activities and behaviors. The chatbot will prompt the citizen reporter to collect much more robust information. The efficiency value to allow the threat analyst to do more and higher quality work is significant.
I'm always so impressed by the companies that come out of the studio with their grit, their tenacity, their drive for the mission, their passion for technology, and their willingness to get the job done.
A startup on a shoestring is very challenging and very stressful.
Look, in startup world, you're going to be overwhelmed. There's going to be 100 things that you're going to need to do, and you're going to only have time to do maybe 20 of those.
There is nothing harder in the world than starting your own company. Startups, they're inherently complex. Markets change. There's a lot of strategy involved.
Don't give up. Fight through that. Stick to it. Be really clear about that purpose. Keep coming back to it and saying, this is why. This is the future vision that I see.
We have a big, hairy, audacious goal, or BHAG, which is to reduce terrorism, violent crime, and make the world safer for all.
We intentionally try to find real problems for humanity, and we believe that leveraging technology, we can come up with cost-effective solutions to address those issues.
We see our technology as being groundbreaking, having a role in shaping the future, and we think it's our job to commercialize it and take it to the next level.
It's really the idea that we can put our effort together, produce something, and bring something to the world that actually has a use and is in some way making things better.
The Startup Studio gave me confidence that I could live and be successful in the technology world.
One of the things that we've benefited from significantly is just the network and the introductions to the partner Department of Homeland Security.
It was an absolutely amazing opportunity to engage with stakeholders at the highest level, to talk to in real time prospective customers.
They were very instrumental in facilitating access to a lot of really good thinkers, users, and stakeholders around the product. As far as FedTech is concerned, honestly, I can tell you we wouldn't be here today if it weren't for FedTech.
FedTech brought invaluable resources and expertise to each of our weekly sessions.
We are incredibly grateful to FedTech and the DHS Science and Technology Directorate.
A lot of help around intellectual property, negotiating our evaluation license, negotiating the terms of our CRADA, and working through the FedTech ecosystem. We were paired up with experts in all of those disciplines that really guided us and coached us through and gave us immeasurable amounts of help.
Yeah, couldn't thank Department of Homeland Security enough for sponsoring this, and then for the network that they've provided us access to both during and then after the cohort.